Meaning of Florentine.
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 Florentine. The term Florentine is used to refer to anything from or related to the city of Florence, Italy. It can be used to describe a variety of things including food, such as Florentine steak or Florentine biscuits, art, such as Florentine paintings or sculptures, and architecture, such as Florentine palaces or churches. Additionally, the term can be used to describe a particular style of decorative painting that originated in Florence during the Renaissance period. Overall, Florentine is a versatile term that is closely associated with the cultural heritage of Florence.